I'd like to spend a moment or two and share with you another of our series, Harmonic Mechanisms for the Mind. This one will be number 12, and we're going to talk about the half steps in any given key. As with all of these in this series, we're going to be in the key of no sharps, no flats. So when I say half steps, I mean those which occur naturally in the course of playing a major scale. So a major scale, in this case, from C, say if I take the C here on the second string, a whole step is D, a whole step is E, a half step is F, so E to F in this case. So we move an alphabet letter, but we don't move a whole step. It's one of the cases where, in this key, particularly in this key, we have two instances where we change letter names, but we only move a half step. From F to G as a whole, G to A as a whole, A to B as a whole, and B to C is yet another instance where we have a change of alphabet letter, but we only move a half step. All the others are whole steps. So we're going to start here at the lowest pitch available to us in standard tuning, that E down there, open 6th string. So open to 1st fret is E to F. Then we need B and C. 2nd and 3rd fret of the 5th string, and 2nd and 3rd fret of the 4th string gives us E and F. So we have E, F, B, C, E, F, and now we need B, C. We get it at the 4th and 5th fret of the 3rd string, B, C, E, F, at the 2nd string, 5th and 6th fret. Then we need B, C again, and we get it at 7 and 8 on the 1st string. The point isn't to do these quickly, but to really understand where these half steps lie, and perhaps to start to see for yourself that there's a little pattern of them. So we're going to start here at the 7th fret of the 6th string, B, and we have B, C, and now same fret, 7 and 8 on string 5, E, F, now because of the way octaves work on the instrument, here's the 9th fret of the 4th string, same idea, 9 and 10, 9 and 10, B, C, E, F on strings 4 and 3, and same thing, 12 and 13 on strings 2 and 1, B, C, E, F. So one way to expand on this idea would be to take another key and look for the half steps, maybe say them in your mind. Depending on what key we're in, you'll perhaps deduce a formula out of it. One half step we can always be sure of is the one that lives right below whatever our root name is. So say if we were going to do the key of B, we'd know at least that a half step below it is going to be included in that scale. There are more precision aspects of building a major scale. I won't get into it right now. These E, F, and B, C partners are also included in my way of teaching the fretboard and learning where pitches are, and perhaps I'll include a link to that video down below. I hope this hasn't taken too much of your time and that you've learned something, and that this channel can be a part of your growth and excitement about playing the guitar and learning more about music. And I wish you, as always, a very, very good day.